Why mentorship matters in tech.
Mentorship can greatly accelerate your career in the tech industry. A mentor provides guidance, insights, and connections that help you navigate challenges and seize opportunities. They can offer advice on technical skills, career decisions, and industry trends. Developing a relationship with a mentor can boost your confidence, shorten your learning curve, and open doors you may not have considered.
Identify what you need in a mentor.
The previous messages confirm your idea with a mentor. What skills do you want to develop? Are you looking for technical expertise, career advice, or industry connections? Determine whether you prefer a mentor with a similar background or someone who offers a fresh perspective. Knowing what you're looking for will help you identify the right person to support your growth.
Where to find potential mentors.
Look for mentors within and outside your workplace. Attend tech meetups, conferences, and workshops, where experienced professionals often network. Online communities such as LinkedIn, GitHub, and tech forums can also connect you with industry veterans. Consider reaching out to alumni from your school or professional associations in your area of interest.
How to approach a prospective mentor.
Reach out with respect and clarity. Start with a concise, polite message that explains why you admire their experience, what you hope to learn, and why you think they might be a good fit. Be specific about what you're asking, whether it's a one-time conversation or an ongoing mentorship. Be mindful of their time and express gratitude for any advice they share.
Nurture the mentorship relationship.
A successful mentorship is built on trust, communication, and mutual respect. Stay open to feedback, follow through on their suggestions, and keep them updated on your progress. Remember, mentorship is a two-way relationship. Look for ways to offer value in return, such as sharing resources or introducing them to your network when appropriate.